Hello guys. So today's video is about how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So there are some requirements available like from the Microsoft. You need to fulfill them. If your laptop fulfills the requirements, minimum requirements of that Windows 11, then you can upgrade your laptop. So what are those requirements? What I found um, on the laptops, like the letter coming from the 7th generation, like 8th generation core i7, and 8th generation core i5. uh, After that, like after 8th generation, 9th generation, whatever is coming now can be upgraded to the Windows 11, because automatic updates are available for the laptops that are uh, after 7th generation, because there is big difference in the processors um that are coming after 7th generation. You can see here. So this is right now is the core i5 8th generation. So the difference is coming in the cores and the cache memory and processability. So this is why these laptops are like able to have the Windows 11 upgrade. So how to do that? First, if you have the the laptop with 8th generation or later generation, just go to Windows button here, and then go to settings. Here you will see this menu. Okay, just go to the update and security, this one. Here it will ask you big uh, box will be coming here, will ask you to uh, update your Windows. When you will connect to the Wi-Fi and then try to update the Windows 10, the laptop is going to give you a message which will tell you that Windows 11 update is available. So you just press the button for download Windows 11, then you can go for it. Like in my case, I already clicked on download the Windows 11. So here you can see Windows update is downloading the Windows 11 here. So just connect the laptop with the charger and wait for the download, and after this downloading it is going to install the Windows 11. Then you can use the Windows 11 after the installation. So that's it, very simple. Just you need to fulfill the requirements like buy a laptop 8th generation or later generation. I hope this video will help those who are looking to use the Windows 11 and are unable to install the Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Take care, and don't forget to like my video and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the red bell icon under the video. If you can see it, just press it. This is the only thing that I require from you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.